What do you do?
Well, a while back I wrote some real nice programs, and I thought, now I'm going to try to put them on the market.
Right.
And then, with all the problems I've been having with my programs, I said, I sure don't want other people involved with this. So then came the pandemic.
Oh, yeah.
That didn't help too much. So, all those attendance programs for child care and child workers.
Oh.
And the market was inundated. I mean, trying to squeeze in just seemed to be an adventure. And then, of course, to have a real good program, you need to have a database, and you have to have a good computer to put your database on.
Right.
And then you have to have a good network to
Yeah.
make sure that everything communicates well.
Right.
Yeah.
And my trial church, it was an adventure.
Oh.
Somebody's always changed the password every few months. And that would really big problem. So, are you out of school or are you still in?
Yes, sir. I'm out of school. Graduated from Olympic High School.
Where's that located?
In Charlotte here.
Oh, Charlotte?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm only
Charlotte.
familiar with the Rock Hill.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're near the Carowinds area,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
so not too far.
Right across the border, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm south of the border.
Yeah, they're
I've been to
gonna.
that place. What is it on? 17, I think. Whatever it is, 95 that goes down the eastern seaboard.
And
And there's a place called south of the border. Have you ever been there?
I don't think so.
Many years ago, back in the 80s, late 70s and 80s, it was really a nice place to stop. But then, I don't know about now.
Yeah, we're from Buffalo originally.
Oh, goodness, they got a lot of snow up there.
Yes, they
I'm from
do.
north central Pennsylvania.
Oh yeah.
And you hear stories about the water or the wind coming off the lake up there and heading towards Buffalo and Erie and all that. Those poor guys, they're in trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got tired of that. So.
I almost took a job for a transformer company called Buffalo Transformers up there, and that would have been fascinating for a period of time. And then that winter, the snow hit, and I decided I'm glad I didn't go up there.
Right. Yeah, and that's why I'm glad I'm down here, because I had enough of that. You know, I've been there all 20 years of my life. I've been here the other half, because I'm 40 now, 44. So, I love it. I've had a great time being here. Got to meet a lot of nice people and everything. Oh. All right. Well, let me hook the wire in up first. I'm always gonna hook that up.
May I ask, do you enjoy being connected up with an organization like Home Warranty of America?
Yeah. That's how I started my business. Well, not with Home Warranty. I started with Choice Home Warranty.
Yeah.
And I just I never looked back.
I tried to convince one of my friends who works with HVACs.
Right.
If he'd be interested in getting connected up with a system like that.
That's where I got started though, with warranty companies, because I had to make sure when I quit my job when I stopped working for the company I worked for, that I could keep my family going, you know. And so warranty companies, they keep me busy.
That's good to know.
Yep, I've been blessed since I started 2 years ago.
Yep.
I have work every day. I haven't had to look for work or struggle with finding work. So I've been real blessed with that. Yeah, I would say warranty companies is the best way to start if he's an HVAC guy. Cause they pay every 30 days, but it's good if you work every day. And after the first 30 days, you'll start getting your money every week. But you have to put in that work. You have to work though. But I'm doing about 2 or 3 calls a day now. So ever since the pandemic, I kind of slowed down a little bit, and I've been doing pretty well. I thought I would have to do like 5 or 7 calls a day to really keep up, but nah, 2 or 3 been really good for us. So I've been trying to train him, get him out. So.
Have you read about the work going on at the Copper River Bridge?
Yeah, I was just about to ask you that. That's going to be a pain, huh?
I work in Fort Mill.
Really?
I look forward to that.
Yeah. I know.
How's that going to affect your traveling for your business?
Not too much, cause I mean, I get calls down here sometime, but hopefully, like I said, I live near Carowinds. Hopefully, I could take the back way.
Oh.
Hopefully
Everybody's going to be doing that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Hey, you can make your son drive.
Hey, he already does.
Oh, goodness. You got it made, the chauffeur.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. As long as I'm not in the Valentine area or something like that. There we go. All right. We got the plug knocked out. Get that tightened up. All right. That should go right back in there.
Yeah, that's what I think every time I play with the plane.
What was that?
That's what I say every time I'm playing with the plane. You're not supposed to do that.
Let's see. Now, I love how things just disappear and everything's supposed to be right here. I don't think this is the one, is it? This is the new one. Let's get this old one out of here. Here, I'm gonna give you this, because I got 100 of these. You got that? You know what that is?
You know, we've had 2 of these in here, and I have no idea where they drifted off to. Yeah.
There goes, yeah.
The stuck remover.
Yeah.
That might explain one of those strange wrenches down in my toolbox.
Let me see. Nope, that is it. Okay. Alright. That is it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. The rubber's not in there, Bobby. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't use that rubber off of there because it was disformed, so I'm going to use a brand new one. And you just fit that in there like so. And then put that back up there. Now, it should be good. All right. Oh.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay. Turn the water on, baby. Whoever put this on got this thing going the wrong way. Silly gooses. Alright. Now it should stick in there the right way. Now it should be the right way. Uh-oh. Oh. Why does that keep coming through like that? Let me see. Huh. That's the right one. Okay. All right, try it. Turn on the garbage disposal.
Turn off the water.
New gasket for it. Did you hear what I said? We gotta get a new gasket for this. Why is this leaking all of a sudden? Son of a gun. Why is this not going in there right? Let me take this off. Because I don't see why it's not working right. I'm gonna get this. Why is this water coming out of here like this? Go get the shop vac.